my channel. I hope all of you are well. So this video is on protein recipes which are very healthy, tasty and easy to prepare. So if you are somebody who wanna lose weight or who wanna build strength, so these recipes will really help you. And that's it with the intro, guys. Let's continue with the video. So our first protein based recipe is milk and oats. For this we will require milk, oats, banana and almond. Take a utensil, then transfer around 1 glass of milk into it. Milk is very rich source of protein and it is packed with nutrients. If you are losing weight, then use fat-free milk or cow's milk. Let the milk boil. When the milk starts boiling, then you have to add around 1 cup of oats into it. Then mix the oats into the milk. Oats are incredibly nutritious. They are very good source of protein, vitamin, minerals and rich in antioxidants as well. Then let the mixture heat on a low flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. After this, transfer it to a bowl. Then transfer some chopped bananas. Bananas will not only decorate it, but they are also very rich source of vitamin B6, vitamin C, dietary fiber as well as magnesium. After this, add some almonds. Almonds are also very rich in protein, fiber as well as vitamin E. So now your protein rich milk and oats are ready to eat. So our second recipe is paneer bhurji with brown bread. For this we'll require all of these ingredients. So first take a utensil. After that add 1 spoon of butter. I know butter is really high in fat, but if you take it in moderation it is really good for your health. Add half tablespoon of cumin seed. It is really good for digestion and it is source of iron. After this, when cumin seeds start cracking, then you have to add onions. When onions start turning brown, then you have to add ginger garlic paste. It is really good for digestion. Then add green chilies. They are really good for your eyes, skin as well as for your immunity. I am adding them in the last because I just don't want to overcook them. Then add around 1 cup of grated cheese. Cheese are really good for your health. They are excellent source of protein as well as of vitamin 12. Then add salt, red chilies, coriander powder and turmeric as per your taste and mix all of these ingredients together. Mix all the ingredients really well. Let them cook on low flame for around 3 to 4 minutes and your paneer bhurji is ready. You can serve with brown bread or you can make a toast. It will be really healthy and tasty option for you. So our next recipe is dal dosa. For preparing dal dosa, we'll require all of these ingredients. First, take a bowl. To a bowl, add chana dal, that is yellow split peas. After this, add urad dal, dhuli urad dal, that means black gram lentil. Then add yellow moong dal. Then add green moong dal. After this, add black gram lentil. The main purpose is to mix all the dals which you are having in your kitchen. Add around 1 glass of water to this and leave it overnight. Strain out water and it will look something like this. Then after this you have to add this to a blender. Then blend it once. After this you have to add 1 glass of water. Also add salt, green chilies, coriander powder and hing as per your taste. After this blend it so it looks something like this. It should not be thin and thick. Then oil the tawa. After this spread the batter on the tawa. Try to make a round with the help of a spoon. Apply oil on the sides of the dosa so it does not stick with the tawa and you can easily flip it. Cook it from both the sides and after this your dosa is ready. You can serve it with coconut chutney or curd. It completely depends on you. Next is protein salad. It has highest amount of protein from all the recipes discussed till now. For preparing this, you will require all of these ingredients. First, take a bowl, then add peanuts. Peanuts are high in nutrients and low in carbs. After this, add chickpeas. They are excellent replacement of meat for vegetarian people. After this, add soya bean. It is really high in protein, vitamins as well as minerals. Then add green moong lentil. It is packed with nutrients as well as antioxidants. Add 1 glass of water to it and leave it overnight. Next morning, strain the water, it will look something like this. You can eat it like this, or if you want to enhance the flavor, then add lime juice, onions, salt, chilies, and mix all the ingredients. You can also add cheese. Cheese is also a very good source of protein. You can eat it as a salad or after exercise. It is the best source of protein for vegetarian people. So our next and last dish is sattu ka chila. For preparation, we'll need all of these ingredients. First take sattu flour. Sattu flour is called as poor man's protein because it is very high in protein and very cheap. Also, it has iron, manganese, and it is good for weight loss. Then add onions into sattu flour. Then add coriander. Coriander is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, as well as protein. Then add salt, chili powder. With the help of water, prepare a paste so you can easily make a chila out of it. Firstly, oil the tawa so your chila doesn't stick with it. After this, spread the batter in a round form with the help of a spoon. Cook it well from both the sides. As it is a bit difficult to prepare, so it can crack, but at the end it will look something like this. It is now ready. You can serve it with curd and enjoy it. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet soon. Until then, bye bye, take care.